Want to connect your Facebook account to Duolingo but not sure how? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to link your Facebook account to Duolingo. Let's get started. Open the web version of Duolingo on your device. Tap on the avatar icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, find and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to access the settings. In the settings menu, locate the social account section and tap on it. Toggle the switch icon next to the Facebook option to enable it. Enter the email address and password for the Facebook account you want to connect. Finally, tap on Continue to link your Facebook account to Duolingo. And that's it. You have successfully connected Facebook to Duolingo. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.